Hello and welcome to the Philippines. We're going to be looking at several units in Aurora Towers in Cebu City. Today they're larger units than what you're used to, and it has a great roof deck area. I'll show you that towards the end of the video as well. First one we're looking at is a 3-bedroom unit, and I forget the number of square meters in it. This building is, I believe it's around 20 years old, the agent told me. And they used to build things. 10 years ago or so, they used to build condominiums. When they built condominiums, they built them larger in size. About 10 years ago, with a big rush of development and demand, they started making condominiums smaller in size to try to fit more people into the city, is what I was told by one realtor. Anyway, all these units have quite a bit of storage, built-in cabinets, a nice comfortable bed there, lots of electrical outlets as well. One thing I find in many of the newer units don't have as many electrical outlets. Got your hot water heater up there, or your water heater. And something you don't see very often either, is a nice counter area in your CR, your bathroom, your toilet area. And that is very welcome. Nice windows letting a lot of light in. And so we have our second bedroom here as well. And this is, if you know where the Castle Peak Hotel is, on Cabahog Street. Take a look out here. You'll hear what noise we have here. Castle Peak right out there. The road that goes past Castle Peak is the main road, Cabahog Street. If you follow that back to the left, it goes to pretty much into the Ayala Mall, Cebu Business District area. And one nice thing I like about all of these units that I'm looking at, all have the same owner, and she or he furnished them properly. The larger size refrigerators. They used a number of these units as Airbnb units for a time. During this past year, they have lowered the rents. Now, I don't remember the rent for this 3-bedroom. But I'll put the contact information for the agent, and also has a shower there in one of the bathrooms, and a washing machine and a spinner as well. This one here has, on the left is your washing area, and that is your spin basket there, and looks like an extra spin there. 2-bedroom. All right. What does this go downstairs, the phone?
Yeah, for the garden.
Okay.
Working.
All right. Is this green? Green? All right.
Another side.
We're here. Castle Peak right there. Sarosa over there. Icon Nightclub. I have been past that Icon nightclub disco a number of times over the years later at night, and I don't ever remember hearing noise coming out of there. So I suspect that they have the place pretty well noise insulated, noise proofed. Sometimes these units you will find foam mattresses, and I don't care for them myself. They're very popular, I guess because they're cheaper here in the Philippines. People will, you might, since the owner owns, I think the owner owns many different properties, not just here. I think she owns 10 or 15 or 20 in Cebu City, and more up in Manila, different cities as well. So I think they would be willing, possibly, if you didn't like that type of mattress, to switch it with another better type of mattress. But there again, lots of cabinet space. And think I think that the condo dues in these Aurora towers, there's two towers, the East Tower and West Tower. We're in the East Tower. I believe the condo dues are 58 pesos per square meter. So you take your square meters and multiply times 58. Some past tenant put that sign up. May have been sharing the area with somebody else. Anyway, nice large amount of cabinet space, which is very nice as well. Something that tends to be a little bit rare, and they were using this as an Airbnb. Therefore, some pans and accessories. I think all of the units have a stove in it, and all of them would have a washing machine as well. I think none of them do have a balcony. Well, this one didn't. I think they would be willing to put a wash machine in there if you requested it, possibly. I noticed some balconies down on the fifth level, fifth floor, and I'll show you those because I looked at a one bedroom on the sixth floor and I could look down at that. But anyway, nice, relatively large kitchen area and refrigerator as well. One bedroom.
Two.
Huh?
Two bedrooms.
This is two bedroom. Okay.
We have three two bedrooms here.
Okay. There were two refrigerators in this unit, but the one in the living room area was just being stored there temporarily, and that would be moved out if somebody rented it. She also stated that if somebody rented it, they would be doing a thorough cleaning, repairing of anything. Sea view. Now I think these two bedrooms, I'm not sure if they were all the same price or not. I think it was about 18,000 pesos a month plus condo dues of 58 pesos per square meter. Now that would bring it, I believe it would bring it up around 20, I heard the term 23,000 pesos per month. So I'm not sure if that all works out accurately or not. But there again, a wash area, a couple bedrooms, the type of mattress that many of us would prefer, the spring type. I am not a realtor, broker, not involved in the real estate business in any way. Some people think I get a kickback or commission or something by showing them, and I don't, and I haven't. I have a camera, and I enjoy looking at properties. I put them up on the internet. Other people appreciate it, seeing what's available for the different costs. And they have lowered the rental prices for these substantially from pre-pandemic times. But I do really like the many windows and the large storage areas in the closets, the space, the large spaces. Most units do not have a balcony, but there is a huge balcony up on the roof deck. You can go up there and enjoy. And the third two bedroom we're going to look at here, and then I'll take you up to we'll look at the one bedroom. And the one unit had kind of green paint. I would definitely want to change that to a lighter color. This kind of gray paint here also made it look a little darker in there, in my opinion. But nice sized, nicely furnished, nice sized televisions. Some places you go and they have very small televisions, so that's always appreciated. And CR and shower area again. And there again, a foam type. They've got the mattress turned opposite. I don't know, they were doing some cleaning or changing or something. But nice windows, nice light. You'd get west light in this particular unit. There again, large counter space in the CR, the bathroom. Really love that. I was looking at units for over a month because I like where I'm living pretty much, but The barking dogs day and night are an issue where I'm at, and I will probably end up doing some additional noise control. That's my business for many, many years in the U.S. Because I didn't really find exactly what I wanted. I don't want to move just to move. I was offered a really good deal in a one bedroom I rented before, and I'll tell you more about that.
And this was a one bedroom. All right. 58 square meters?
57, right around 57.
57? Okay. Nice space.
Yeah.
57 square meters is about 613 square feet, to give you an idea. Some reasonably comfortable furniture there. Looking across the street is the Mezzo Hotel. 40 square meters is about the smallest size I want to live in. But it doesn't really allow you much room to move furniture around. So 50 to 60 square meters allows you more room. Depends upon the layout, of course, but here again, lots of good cabinet space. You've got a gas stove. Most, if not all, newer condominium units, developments don't allow you to use gas stoves. There's a safety issue there. So you've got the common CR bathroom out here, and there again, you've got your clothes washing area and your one bedroom. There again, you've got some space in there to move around, to add if you want to add some chairs or a couch or something, television, and lots of window space as well. I believe they were asking rent for this one bedroom about 18,500 pesos a month with a 1 year lease, and that would be about 385 US dollars. And there again, looking at first thing I'd do is wash the windows. The Mezzo Hotel across over there. And you look down below and you see on the fifth floor, you see the larger balconies, I think just on the fifth floor. I was told there's no barking dogs on this particular floor, but they have a few in the building.
Ah, okay. All right. Yeah, very nice.
Two reasons I did not rent here or at another place I found a really good deal at that I'd rented before was, number one, the restrictions that are in place during this present crisis, and I wasn't convinced that I would be getting away from the barking dogs because there are some in the building, so would they allow them in there? I do love this roof deck. They do not have a pool. They do not have a gym. So those are a couple of other issues, but I can work out in my room. There's lots of space in that one bedroom or two bedrooms, and the view up here, that's worth something. But like I said, they lowered the rent. It can change at any time, so contact the agent. I'll leave the information in the description. There are lots of options with thousands and thousands of units sitting vacant with no tourism allowed, and many of the foreigners have gone back to their home countries, the Koreans, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Westerners from the different countries, people from all over the world during this time. And there's the Castle Peak. Anyway, thanks for watching, and take care, stay safe. I'll see you next time.